What we are all looking forward to. Crypto lobbyists have criticized the US Securities and Exchange Commissions for not approving any spot Bitcoin ETF so far. According to CoinDesk, representatives of the Digital Chamber of Commerce in Washington, D.C. commissioned a report accusing the regulator of harming American investors.
So we think it's important to have regulated products that allow investors to have access to Bitcoin directly.
According to human rights activists, they have deprived market participants of a very important trading tool available in other countries. The document says the US regulator body has failed to cope with the responsibility for the usual cost-effective, liquid, transparent, and regulated access to the Bitcoin markets.
There's also new and novel risk to investing in cryptocurrencies, especially related to custody, and people have had a lot of missteps.
The SEC has continued to force American investors wishing to invest in this asset class to look for unregulated or foreign alternatives. Spot ETFs like this have long been seen as an important step in growing the entire industry and attracting new institutional investors to the market. The industry received approval for the futures ETF last year, but 16 companies were denied a similar version of the fund for the spot market. NFT maker Doodles announced it has raised $54 million at a $704 million valuation on Tuesday, led by Reddit co-founder and NFT enthusiast Alexis Ohania, 776 venture capital firm. Doodles said it will use the funding to grow its team from 11 to 30 people, adding that 18 new full-time positions will appear on its job page next week. They have already hired the head of the brand partnerships firm Future 500 veteran Brandon Rosenblatt. Roulette launched on Binance, where you can complete missions and take part of the prize pool. Period from 9th to 23rd September. To participate, you need to go to the promotion page, link in the description, and complete missions. For the performance attempts, appear to spin the Wheel of Fortune, where one of the 9 prizes drops out with each rotation. If you already trade on Binance, then a couple of clicks in parallel will help you receive additional bonuses. Sunderlands: how and how much you can earn. First of all, I propose to figure out what kind of game it is and how you can start making money there. According to the developers, this is the project that combines classic gameplay and few features to the Polygon blockchain. First of all, you should understand that this one was created on the Unreal Engine 5 with support of the Polygon blockchain. And this means one thing: for a comfortable game you need a good PC with a normal processor, video card and RAM. So the game Thunderlands is the metaverse in which players have to fight for resources, create their own factions or join to strongest guilds to earn. Based on the play-to-earn mechanic, players will be able to farm resources, take their NFTs and receive TNDR tokens in return to increase their profit in the game. The first thing you can do in the game is to explore the territory. You can collect a squad and go to an expedition in search of treasures and various valuable resources. There is also a PvP mode available in the game in which the player can fight against the player. In this mode, dangers await for the player in every corner of uncharted territory, and whoever had the courage will receive a worthy reward on the form of unique resources or rare items. Battles are possible both with opponents and with monsters in full-fledged 3D locations. In general, there are 3 ways to earn money in the game, and one of them does not require investments. The first way is to buy NFT. You can earn % steadily by staking your NFTs and getting TNDR tokens in return, which can be freely sold in the QuickSwap crypto exchange. The second way is to buy NFTs and throw them into the game, paying back in a similar way to staking. Well, the third way, which without investment investments is to play clicker inside the game and exchange currency into TNDR tokens and then cash out through the exchanger. What is the clicker game I told about? This is the mode in the game where you have to kill the monster with all your skills and equipment. As a result, if they defeated the monster, they received a currency that can already be exchanged for TNDR tokens. In fact, we play a simple game mode and earn money on it. How much can you earn? According to one player from the game's Discord channel, he managed to earn 40,000 TNDR tokens in a few days, but he did not specify which way he moved. Whether he bought NFTs or not, whether he staked NFTs or whether he played clicker inside the game is unclear. By the way, at the time of this writing, 1,000 TNDR tokens are equally approximately $4. In general, at the developers write, earnings in the game directly depend on the number of NFTs or land in which you can produce anything.